just want to make a quick video here on my Radley string trimmer. Actually, this is, I don't know, it's a 17-inch Radley string trimmer, grass trimmer, whatever, weed whacker. It's a cheap, crappy one from Home Hardware. But I was thinking so many times I want to just buy a good Husqvarna or a Stihl. But I actually really like this machine, like this end of the machine. I really like. This thing starts every time, has lots of power, and when it has a good working head on it, it's an absolute monster. Actually, that's all I really need. I don't need no expensive one around here. I can just use this. I think it was $140 compared to a Stihl is $350 or something like that. It gets the job done for what I need around here at the acreage. And like, I'm cutting some pretty heavy stuff here. And yeah, I've gone through 4 of these crappy Radley heads, so I want to just make a video about that. So I have been struggling for, this is the second summer I guess now I've had this trimmer. And last summer it was really frustrating because these heads I believe are 25 bucks a piece. And if you can see here, they're supposed to have these little tabs and they clip to the bottom piece like this. So this would go like this and this like this. Let's see if I can make this for you. So this is the head itself, like this one here, which is destroyed. And this tab here keeps breaking on them. See, that one broke off. That's what it's supposed to look like. And it's been really frustrating because I'm not sure. I've been looking all over online what kind of heads to replace this with. I don't know if Stihl or Husqvarna will fit it. I guess you just have to look at the thread and see. But I just didn't want to go out and spend some money and for it not to work. So, but I actually got so frustrated with it last weekend. I just decided to go and look and see if I could get some universal head to work. And I ended up going to Canadian Tire and got this Easy Wind Shakespeare brand universal trimmer head. Yeah, it fits line 0.80 to 95. This is for the big trimmers. They also have one for the smaller ones too. But yeah, let's see. I don't know if you can see this here, but this is all the makes that it fits right there. But Radley wasn't on there, so I just kind of took a chance for $50-something and it worked. So this was the head I actually was just using. This is the Radley one. As you can see, both sides broke off and I just put some screws in there. And it was working, like the bump still worked and everything for the line. But it's just like, come on, really? You're selling a product like this and you just have this thing breaking all the time? Like, it's a really good machine. I don't know if it's a Chinese clone or something else, but I really am happy with the machine itself, like how it runs and everything. So if they could just get a good head put on it, they would really have a good product there. But anyway, enough of me complaining. Let's take a look at it. As you can see, there it is on the machine. And this one is nice. You get the line, the roll of line, you go through both sides and you pull a long, really long amount through, and then you just turn this and it will just suck it all in. You don't even have to take the head apart or anything. You can just leave it like this, and then yeah, you bump like normal and away you go. And yeah, there you go. That's an option for any people that have the same trimmer as me. I don't know if you do, but I've seen there is a few people on YouTube that have this trimmer. I don't know, I'm guessing this has happened to them or they got lucky, but I really did not abuse some of these heads. Like my last one here with the screws in it, I babied this thing when I first got it to see why it was breaking. And even just on really light grass, it broke off. Like I didn't even hit anything with it. I guess just the vibrations from the shaft and everything broke it off, I'm not sure. But it's so crappy plastic. Okay, so how this head works and how it adapts to so many different trimmers is it has these, I guess they're just adapters. Here, you just pick the the size you need here. The threads, they're all different thread sizes here and styles. See, this one has a bolt kind of on the end of it, and actually you take this cover off, you would take your adapter, push it up inside, and it just sits in there, and then you spin it onto the thread that's on the end of your drive shaft here, and that's how it works. That's how the kit works. So it's pretty simple. These are all just the general sizes of and different styles threads they have here for these trimmers. But yeah, there we go. That's the replacement for this crappy Radley trimmer head. Hopefully that helped some people out. Thank you guys for watching. I'll see you in the next one.